year is 1976. Steve Jobs is broke, 21 years old, and working out of his garage in Los Altos, California. It was the summertime, just like it is right now, or about to be. Which means that he could have been doing what a lot of kids my age are doing. Taking a break, going on vacation, relaxing in the sun, taking some time to reflect on the year that they've had, and the internship that they'll probably do. I, for one, always planned road trips in my 2002 Honda Odyssey. Jobs also planned to take a trip that year in his '67 Volkswagen microbus. But that summer, the garage where it was normally parked was empty because he sold it for a few $100 to fund the parts he'd need to make the first 50 Apple computers, which is why I'd like to invite you to the off-season. So what does that mean for you? Well, damn it. So what does that mean for you? Well, this is Founders Inc. We're a place where people go to work on wildly ambitious ideas, from exoskeletons and microfactories to feature films and music. As long as you're trying to make your thing the biggest it can possibly be, we want to help you do it. Case in point, this summer, we're going to be doing something called Off-Season. It's a 6-week program happening right here at our campus in San Francisco. And we're going to be inviting the best college students, recent grads, and dropouts to build whatever they want. You'll have a fully stocked hardware lab, a 20,000 square foot garage, a gym, this view outside, and we'll also give you a free lunch every day. But most importantly, other young and ambitious founders who can ship shit 20 times faster than you thought you ever could, working right next to you. And at the end, we're going to give funding. That's it. We're calling it off-season because we don't think that you should treat your summer like a vacation or an opportunity to add another notch to your resume. It should be your time to explore and build towards what's next, what you really want to do. Because there really isn't a better time to do that than right now. Applications are open as of 1 minute ago, but we'll be closing them before June 23rd when the off-season starts. That's all. That's the video. See you guys.
Hello.